Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an easy way to get Ocean Streamz application to your Firestick or Android TV. Ocean Streamz is an app that a lot of people use to watch movies and TV shows free of charge. They have tens of thousands of different movies out here, so this app probably is even better than Netflix. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get the app to your device. Oh, by the way, I had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you what's actually available in the app, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So first of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. This so you just go to search on your device and here in the search bar start entering Downloader. As you can see, there was even no need to enter whole name of the app because Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we'll go to Settings. To do so, we gotta click on that button with the gear icon. Then we scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here you'll have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. To do so, we'll go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the button for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then we need to go to install unknown apps, and from here locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And there you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Finland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So let's open Downloader, wait until it loads for you. Then on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's really important. And here in that search bar, we have to enter a code, which is going to be 2, 8, 9, 0, and 7. So once again, the whole code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see on the screen and do not make any mistakes. Because obviously, if you make any mistake, your code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and now in a couple of moments, a website is going to open up for you. When the website has opened, you just have to scroll down a little bit until we find a list of categories. There it is. And from the list, we have to click on Movies and TV. So let's click on it. Then a huge list of applications is going to open up for you. You have to scroll it down until you see Ocean Streamz. So let's do it. Let's find it. So we gotta keep scrolling. And there's the Ocean Streamz application, which is exactly what we're looking for. So let's click on Ocean Streamz right here. Then probably some kind of ad is going to open up for you. If it does open, you have to click on close, because if you click on open here, then it's going to mess everything up for you. So click on close to close down the ad, and then wait until a new web page opens. Yep, there it is. You also have to scroll down, so let's scroll. Keep scrolling until you see that blue download button. It has to look exactly like the one you see on the screen. Then you gotta click on download, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you have to click on install right here and wait until the app installs to your device. After that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we have an option to delete the installation file, as we really do not need it anymore, but it will save us some space on our Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. Now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. So scroll down, open the list, then you gotta scroll down, and there at the bottom you'll find Ocean Streamz. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the Ocean Streamz is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months totally for free. And of course, subscribe my channel for more content on Firesticks. See you next time. Bye bye.